Hello and welcome to BBC Radio 4. Today we'll be having a special programme, a radio drama from the United States of America.
We follow a large family on their way to a camping vacation full of campfires and marshmallows.
Or so they thought. This is Hillbilly Horror Stories.
Are we there yet, Ma?
Shut up, Philip.
Sorry, Grandma.
Yes, Philip, honey, we're almost there.
We're here.
Welcome to Heaven Above Campsite. How may I help you?
Reservation for Montgomery?
I am truly sorry, sir. We only have one site left. It's number 129. It's about a mile west. Once you see the porta potties, you're almost there.
Thank you for your help and generosity.
Come on, kids, go set up your tent. Jane, Jacob, go help the younger ones.
Come on, honey, let's go set up the camper.
I'm not helping.
No need, Ma.
Peter, why did we have to bring your mother?
It is a family camping trip. Be nice, Meredith.
What are you doing over there, kids?
Just setting up the tents.
All right, be careful.
I'm bored.
Let's explore.
I don't know, it looks scary. Okay, as long as we're careful and back before dark.
Hey, look over there at that awesome shed. It would make a cool fort.
Guys, sorry to burst your bubble, but the shed is locked.
Oh, man.
Look inside of that pocket knife.
Let me see. Get out of the way, Philip, and let Josie see. We should go back. Let's go back.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Good idea, Jane.
Good, kids, it's time for campfire.
Well, look who showed up. Oh, hey, Uncle Lucius.
Hi, kids. Do you want to roast marshmallows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, that looks like the cool knife in that shed in the forest. You can get this at anywhere.
Good night,
Night,
kids. Don't be out here too long. Jane, you're in charge of the campfire.
Okay, Mom. Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Night. I want to go see if the knife is still there.
That's not a good idea. And anyway, Uncle Lucius said that you can get those knives at anywhere.
Well, Jacob, don't you believe Uncle Lucius?
There's something shifty about him, and it's worth the check.
Jacob, he's our uncle. And anyways, you can check in the morning if you really want to.
Fine.
I'm getting more wood for the fire. Stay here.
Hey, Josie, let's go check out the shed.
But Jane said not to.
Josie, you were always the fun one. Come on.
Fine, but we have to be back before Jane comes back or she'll be mad.
Deal.
Jacob, I don't think this is a good idea. We should turn back.
Josie, it's just a little farther. Look, there it is. See? Just as I thought. The knife is gone. Josie? Josie, where are you? Josie! Josie!
BBC Radio 4 will be back after a few messages from our sponsors.
Are you looking about going on a family camping trip, but you need new gear? Well, look no further.
Come on down to Aussie's Australian Camping Gear. We have everything from tents to marshmallow roasting tongs.
We have the lowest prices ever, and if you see a store with lower prices than us, we'll beat it. So come on for our sale. It's for a limited time only. We have tools and cool gadgets that will have the entire family bonding and having fun.
We are not responsible for any malfunctions with this equipment, and there will be no refunds or exchanges. This is a final sale.
Welcome back to Hillbilly Horror Stories on BBC Radio 4.
Okay. We left off last with Jacob and Josie checking to see if the knife was still in the shack. And just as Jacob thought, the knife was gone.
And so was Josie.
Mom! Mom, everyone wake up!
Jacob, where did you go? I told you not to leave camp. Where's Josie?
Well, we went to the shack to see if it was there.
If what was there?
The knife! Uncle Lucius's knife, and it was gone, and I knew it would be, but when I turned around, Josie was gone.
Jacob! How did you let her out of your sight?
What's going on out here?
I told him not to, I swear. And now she's gone!
Who's gone? Josie's gone. Sorry, it was my fault.
Lucius, where have you been?
I was going to the bathroom and why is everybody up?
Josie's missing.
Calm down, Meredith. She's probably just wandered off. She'll be back soon.
But that isn't like her. Why are you laughing? Your sister's missing you, bitch. 1, 2, 3, 1. Mm-hmm.
Calm down, Meredith. She's probably just wandered off. She'll be back soon.
But that isn't like her. She wouldn't just leave like that.
What's going on?
Shut up, Philip.
Gamma! Come here, Philip. Your sister's missing. We have to inform the front desk. Peter, you and I will take Philip with us to the front desk. Gamma and Lucius take the kids and keep looking for Josie, and we'll meet up back here.
Okay, Lucius, you take Jacob and check the playgrounds and other lots. I'll take Jane and look in the forest.
You do realize that it is 12:30 and you are interrupting my late night soap opera?
Our daughter has gone missing. We need your help.
Are you sure she hasn't just run out to the playground or to the bathroom?
Well, no, but...
Well, why don't you check there? Then come back to me if you still haven't found her at a more reasonable hour. Good night.
All right, Meredith, let's go check the campsite. I'm sure she's turned up by now.
Have you seen any sign of her yet?
No, but we have to keep looking.
Why would that girl run away in the first place? Let's go back to the campsite and see if she's turned up. Besides, my bunions are acting up.
Uncle Lucius, what are you doing back? Did you find her? Wait, where's Jacob?
He said he needed to go to the bathroom. We stopped at the porta potties and he went in and I thought I saw Josie, and when I went to check it turns out it was just a squirrel, and then I came back and Jacob was gone.
Hillbilly Horror Stories will continue after this quick commercial break.
Family too big, camper too small.
Well, we have the right camper for you.
With our advanced technology, we have invented the Expandinator. The Expandinator looks small, but has all the room you need.
Picture this. You've been driving all day. You get out and get ready to set up your campsite. It takes 15 minutes to set up.
Then you come inside, press a button, and it expands. You have more room for bathrooms, kitchen, 6 beds, a closet, and a TV. It even has an outdoor barbecue.
It can easily be put away in under 15 minutes. This is our final sale.
If you need or want this camper, this is the place to be. Call right now for 25% discount. The number is 555-0121. That's 555-0121.
Welcome back to Hillbilly Horror Stories.
Well, our story resumes with Jacob just gone missing and no sign of Josie.
Hey, any luck?
We lost another one. Peter, you kids ain't too bright.
What? Who's gone?
Jacob the little rugrat.
Come on, folks, let's go looking for him. The last place I saw him was the porta potties. Let's start there.
I don't know where they could have gone to. It isn't like them at all. Oh, Peter, we better find them. I just can't handle it all.
They're there, Meredith. They'll turn up.
That's what you said last time. And now only Jane and Philip are with us. Oh, Peter, I'm a terrible mother. I've lost all my children.
You should be sorry. Don't stop crying now. You've lost another one.
What?
It's Philip the little whippersnapper.
Oh, no.
All right, everyone. He can't have gone far. And maybe if we find Philip, we'll find the rest of them. Let's split up. Gamma and Meredith with me. Jane, you go with Lucius.
Jane, I think I know where they might be.
Where?
Think. You're a smart girl, right?
The shed.
I'll meet you there. I have to go get something from the trailer.
Okay. Hello?
Jane, is that you?
Yeah, and it's all right now. I'm here. I'll get you out of there. I'll untie you. Now, Jacob, untie Philip, and I'll do Josie.
It was Lucius all this time.
That's right, kids. And now I'm going to finish you off. Get away from them, Lucius.
I always knew there was something unusual about that man.
Well, he ain't my flesh and blood, that's for sure.
What?
I guess I should explain. After Peter was born, something was wrong and I couldn't have any more kids. I thought it wasn't fair for Peter not to have a brother to play with. Peter was only 2 when I adopted Lucius. He was never right in the head, but I loved him as if he were my own. Kind of. Peter was always my favorite, and you still are, don't worry.
Well, I should hope so.
I'm taking that Lucius fellow away for a long, long time.
That concludes today's scheduled programming. We would like to thank our sponsors for today's broadcast, Aussie's Australian Camping Gear and the Expandinator. Stay tuned for news and the BBC's Jammin' Hour of Rockin' Tunes with the Vibes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We look forward to your feedback on previous programs broadcasted from our station. If you have any requests or comments, please go to our website www.bbc.uk/radio4. Thank you for listening to BBC Radio 4 and have a nice day.
Yay.
Da, 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 da.
It doesn't have